Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I seem like I'm in a hurry, it's because I am. Today is like a crazy day. I'm running around trying to get so many things done. I edited and uploaded a video. I ordered my Trend Boo Box Volume 2. I'm so excited that I got that one. It looks so good. I did super quick makeup. I even remembered to take all my vitamins today, which is, woo, it's a good day. But today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of January for you. Now this one is $12 a month. This is just the regular basic bag, but if you want to see all the others, I have already unboxed over the last few days. It has been like unboxing. So I have done Ipsy Plus, I've done Ipsy Ultimate. It's been like a boxathon, if you will. Bad. So we're gonna get into this one and see what we got. I love the theme of this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you the bag because this is the clean slate bag. So look at the print. I think I love this little one the most. So I love the little bit of pink on this, and I've gotten a total of 3. I think I'm gonna keep the little bitty one and then the big one, and then I'll probably put one of the bags in a giveaway because I don't need that many bags. So that's the look of the bag right there. Isn't it super adorable? Like marble and pink it's totally a vibe, and it's one that I really like. So really happy with that. And we've got one item outside of the bag, so I'm gonna open that first. This is a Luxy, looks like a fan brush. We'll take it out. This is a 560 medium fan brush. I just don't use fan brushes a lot. I don't feel like they give me the best highlight. Now occasionally I'll use them for blush, for like a really soft little sweep of blush, but this one feels pretty decent. I just feel like fan brushes that are too thin, if they don't have enough density, this is hard to get highlight the way you want. Like I love my highlight today, but I use something a little bit, I don't know, a little bit fuller, not dense, but a little fuller, which really lays in the product nicely, but it's more, you know, in a compact shape like that. So that's the brush right there. Definitely a good thing to get though. Like I will never ever complain about a Luxy brush, but fan brushes are not one that I reach for all the time. That being said, I only have a couple, so it's a pretty good one to add to my collection, and I will use it here and there as needed. You can definitely find uses for them though. Like I've known to highlight under my brow with it, do a good little nose highlight this way. I actually like a fan brush for that, so I will definitely incorporate this into my routine, and I would imagine that this is around the cost of the box itself, so a pretty good item to get. Let's open it up. Oh, also my Reptar shirt. What do you think? I love it. So let's get into it. Oh, JJ Young Pore Clay Mask. I just got a jar pretty much like this, but this is a Pore Glow Mask. This is 0.53 ounces, so that's pretty decent. I feel like you could get at least a couple of uses out of it, but a little jar. And wow, the brush is valued at $18, so whoa. Pretty good value of that. This is a deluxe sample. The full size of this goes for $15. It says it's a menthol infused clay mask to soothe redness, brighten skin, and tighten pores. It has kaolin clay, brightening niacinamide, and fruit extracts to keep your skin balanced, clear, and healthy. Okay, so let's see what I got. This is from Brooklyn and Bailey. This is the Lash Next Door in Blackout. Full size is 18. This is a deluxe sample. Typically deluxe samples are around half the cost of the full size, at least in my experience with, you know, higher end mascaras. So I'm not gonna open this. I have so many mascaras. I will pass this along to someone in my life or put it in a giveaway, but I do not need to keep mascaras. Not really an exciting thing for me because, again, I have too many. But I think most people would probably be excited to try mascara, so not a bad product to get. And then we got a small Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser in a little travel size. I feel like this one would be great to take on a short trip. This is a ½ ounce, so I feel like you could use this several times. I think this would be good enough to take on like a week-long trip, so that's probably what I'll save this for. I do like this cleanser. I've tried it before, but I've never had the full size. But I do plan on traveling some soon, so I will take this guy with me. And the full size is 160 milliliters. This is only 15 milliliters, so just a small sample. It says this one's got blueberry. It can be used as a makeup remover, daily wash, or clarifying mask. Wow. It starts as a totally unique and super satisfying bouncy gel that builds into deep cleaning bubbles. That sounds really nice. So like I said, I like this one, and I will definitely hold on to that and take with me. And we have one more thing. This is a Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Very Berry. The packaging is cute of this one. It's clear. It's pretty different, and it looks like a really pretty like rosy berry. I've got so many lip products, so I will definitely pass this on to someone else as well, but otherwise a really good item to get. Full size of their lipsticks is $30, so they're pretty pricey. So I would say, you know, even if it's like half of the lipstick, that's a pretty good thing to get. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this. Like, I'm definitely most excited about my bag. And like I said, Luxy brushes, I can never complain about. So I do like my Luxy brushes. And you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare, so I'll definitely hold on to these two. And then the two little minis we have, I will give to someone else. So I will share the wealth a little bit. But I do feel like this is well worth it. Even just for me to get the bag and the brush, I think $12 is really reasonable. And everything else is just a bonus. But I love this bag. And I really like the leopard ones from before. Actually, like bags I'm excited about, which never happens. So that is my Ipsy for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna keep this outro short and sweet. Please be sure you are subscribed if you would like to be. YouTube has a tendency to kind of just poof and remove all of your subscriptions sometimes if you're not careful. So be sure you are, and leave me a thumbs up if you like Ipsy unboxings. That way I know to keep doing them. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!